Hi, I'm Coach Cowland. We're going to have a quick look at variables, dependent variables and independent variables. So, just as a review, a variable is something that can change. When we change the independent variable, the dependent variable changes because of it. What are variables in this statement? The time it takes to run the Boston Marathon depends on the amount of training the runner does. Pause the video, write down the dependent variable and the independent variable, and then play the video to check and see if you were right. Ready? The independent variable is the amount of training that the runner did. The dependent variable is the time it takes to run the Boston Marathon. It's not enough just to say time or training. You need to be specific about exactly what the independent and the dependent variables are and how they're measured. Let's try the next one. What are the variables in this statement? The temperature of water is measured at different depths of the Atlantic Ocean. Again, pause the video, write down the dependent and independent variables, and then hit play. Ready? The independent variable is the depth of water. The dependent variable is the temperature of that water. The statement is therefore implying that as the water gets deeper or shallower, the temperature is changing because of the depth. Let's look at the next one. The more sunlight a tree gets, the taller it will grow. Again, write down the dependent and independent variables while you pause the video, and then hit play once you're ready. Ready? The independent variable is the amount of sunlight. That's what we're going to change. The dependent variable will be the height of the tree because of the amount of sunlight. Last one. The number of kittens in a litter is determined by the increase in weight of the mother cat. Ready? The independent variable is the increase in weight of the mother cat, and the dependent variable is the number of kittens in the litter. Now it's your turn. Think of two scenarios where you would have a dependent and an independent variable, and note both. Write down the scenario, the dependent variable, and the independent variable so that we can review them in class tomorrow. They don't have to be science related, they could be anything where you have a dependent and independent variable.